Today I'm just going to take a look at these magnets for holding metal in different angles. Great for welding, and it even says it on there, Chicago Electric Welding. This is a 4-piece smaller set, and this is a 1-piece much larger magnet. So let's just open these things up and see how they can be used. All right, so get one of these out of here. And this is just one here, and I do have just a piece of angle iron here. I'm just going to show it hooked to a cabinet over here that's metal. This is the small one now. It's a pretty good size piece of angle here. So we'll just see if this can hold it back up. Well, yeah, by golly, it can. Take a look. That is holding that freestanding. So if you were trying to weld this joint right here and you had no other way of holding it, you can, oh, that's, I'm impressed with them already. So that's holding it right up there tight against that. If this is off, well, it's not super strong, but I guess you could use the big one for that, or a little bit more strength. 2 magnets beside each other. There we go. So that's holding that right there. So if you were going to be welding right across there, well, that's 2. Like I said, this is a pretty big piece of metal. Let's go for a 3rd one. So yeah, you can see it's holding right there, and I could weld right across there if that was all cleaned up, and it holds it at that weird angle. That's the smaller one. You can use, obviously, more than one of them, depending on what you're trying to do. Let's break open this big one here. Now, these are just from Harbor Freight. I only paid like $4 for this one and $4 for the 4-pack. This one's obviously a lot bigger, probably a lot stronger, maybe more suitable for this piece of metal here. Oh yeah, definitely a lot stronger. Again, you can hold it at that angle right there. Weld, which, if you were just trying to, if you got these magnets out of here, and you're just trying to hold this on there and weld that, I mean, you could do it, but if you're looking for a 45, it'd be hard to hold this and try to weld too. So by having these magnets certainly makes the job a lot easier. Let's see if we can put it this way too. And if this is long enough, you could actually, if it was long enough piece, you could weld it here and here, and this would hold it in place. Let's say if you were trying to weld some handles on something. Just trying to give you a couple ideas of what this could be used for. But I like them, and I'm going to be using them because I'm going to be doing some welding on the 1966 Dodge Power Wagon. I'm going to need some magnets to hold some steel in position. So I think these are going to come in very handy. Put it that way and weld if you had to weld down here. And again, oh boy, that's pretty strong. This particular one here is actually pretty strong. These ones here are much lighter weight, but they do work and they do hold it. They're actually pretty good, to be honest with you. I can recommend these for sure. I haven't actually used them yet, but I mean, what more do they do besides hold stuff in position? And they seem to be holding it fine on the side of this cabinet. So like I said, I picked this 4-pack up. I think it was like $4.99, and this one big one was for like $4.99. So definitely a handy tool to have around if you're going to be doing some welding, or you just need that extra hand to hold something in position. I'm sure I can find other uses for these besides just holding flat metal together. And you can use them in several different configurations. So yeah, check them out. They have them at Harbor Freight. I'm sure you can get them on Amazon as well. Maybe I'll put a link in the description. But another handy tool to have around the shop. Thanks for swinging by Shane's Main Shop. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, come back often for more video. Have a great day.